Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Roomba Error 26. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Error code 26 indicates insufficient airflow in the vacuum. It is advised to clean or substitute the bin filter and then attempt to restart the robot. Now, should the error persist, perform a reboot by holding the clean button for approximately 20 seconds. This action is expected to eliminate the error from the robot's memory. Now, if despite replacing the bin filter and rebooting the robot, the error persists, it is necessary to replace the cleaning head module. Now, to acquire a new cleaning head module, please visit the iRobot store, parts and accessories, or utilize the authorized retailer for parts orders. If you believe your product is still under warranty, kindly contact iRobot customer care. Now, for prompt assistance, you need to ensure the following. Now, your robot is charged and present, have your robot serial number on hand, and for warranty claims, provide proof of purchase such as a receipt or invoice from an authorized retailer. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.